how to make another account on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap hold on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and you will see the option for Add Instagram Account. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the Create New Account option. Further, you will be required to enter a username, so simply go ahead and enter the username of your choice and make sure that the username that you entered is available, and if not, then make changes accordingly. Now, tap on Next, and then in the interface that you will be led to, you will be required to enter and create a strong password. So go ahead and create a password by following the requirements for password from Instagram, and once entered, tap on Next. Now, you will be required to enter your date of birth, so enter that and then tap on Next. You will further be required to enter your phone number, so first go ahead and check if the country is correct, and if not, then tap on the change option and select your country. Further, enter your mobile number and tap on Next, or you can also sign up using your email address. It totally depends on you. You will then receive a verification code in your WhatsApp or SMS. So go ahead and simply enter the verification code sent to you and then tap on Next, and then go through the terms and policies of Instagram and tap on the I agree button you see there. You will then be required to add a profile picture for your account. You can also simply tap on skip if you want to enter or add a profile picture later. Now, you will then be required to enter or simply add in a Facebook account if necessary, and if not, then you can simply skip that process too. You will then be required to follow a few people in order to confirm the account login. So simply follow a few people and then tap on Next, and with this, your account will be all set. So this was about how you can create an Instagram account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.